Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So today we are making a request video because they asked me to make a video about the night vision, so they're gonna do that today. So before I start the tutorial, I want to say thank you so much for all your support because you keep this channel going. And with your support, I want to help small developers to create the game and create a small studio to create video games altogether. If we create that studio, we can provide you absolutely for free asset, animation, blueprints, and also personal help if you need it absolutely for free. So if you want to support us, the best way to do it is go to my Coffee page. So if you enter to my Coffee page, you can donate for just $1 if you want, or you can be a member. So depending on your subscription, you're gonna have exclusive stuff. For example, exclusive videos, access the video before and published, and also the project file from these tutorials. If you are a member, you want to see all is available for you. You only need to go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel in the right top corner here. If you click here, they're gonna have a list with all the videos it's already made. So there's gonna be the last update. I update this almost every day. This is the video game my wife makes, so if you want to check it out, this is free for everybody if you want to download it, and also all the new videos added in the labs update. Also all the exclusive videos, all unpublished tutorial videos, all unpublished game video, and also all the project files. So if you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. So if you go to my Discord, you can write me if you need a like sample like this video, if you have a request for a video, or maybe you need help in your projects, or you need help for a tutorial because it's not working for you or something like that, you can write me in the Discord. For me, it's more easy to respond from the comments on the Discord to the comments for the YouTube. Also, if you want to talk with me privately or sponsorship, you have to write me to my email. My email and the links from Discord and Coffee is gonna be in the description of this video. And also remember, 100% of the money raised is gonna be for the creation of video game and for the YouTube channel. So thank you, and let's start the tutorial. So let's open to Unreal. And here we have a third person template. It's absolutely blank. I don't do nothing yet. So only if I go play, you can see we can run away. We have the IQ, thing like that, like Unreal have, but I don't have nothing more. So let's create that night vision, and also let's put more guys in here so we can see is it working or not. So let's close this. So the easiest way, so let's put a few guys in here, or girls, I don't know what it is. So let's rotate this like that. Let's do another one, so gonna be alt. Let's put one here, and also I want to put one in the top here. So let's put one in the top, and let's rotate this. So if I go play, we have these three guys in here. So that's fine. So let's close this. So let's create that night vision. So there's a lot of ways to do this. So I want to show you an easy way to make this stuff. So in here, we want a third person character. So we're gonna need an input. So let's go to edit, go to project setting, and go to input and create a new input. I wanna call this night vision. So and here, like you know already, I use the gamepad. So I'm gonna say face. So I'm gonna use the button top. So I'm gonna use that one. You can use the button you like or the keyboard, whatever you like. So let's close this, and here let's call that night vision. So right click, set night vision, like that. So here let's compile and save, and so let's create a new variable. I want to call this the same, so it's going to be night vision. So we can drag this up. So let's get, and you make this a branch here. So let's connect this to this, and also let's set night vision. So if it's false, I want to be true. So we switch it to this one, and also we want to set this to false if we are in true. So you can use here if you want a flip-flop. so that if you press, they wanna change to A to B, whatever you like. But for this tutorial, gonna be fine if you use a flip-flop. But in your game, probably is not the best idea. Why? Because sometimes flip-flop they don't do the things right. Because if you call this variable in different place, for example, I don't know, in the inventory or thing like that, sometimes when you call this, you don't change this stuff, or you change it, but you don't change it in the flip-flop. So sometimes if the night vision isn't true, the flip-flop don't know about it, so they flip again to on, so you need to press twice to do the thing. So if you do it this way to the branch, you never need to worry about that, because always gonna be, if this true or false, they're gonna choose whatever happens. So that's the best way for me to use the branch. So if you like to use a flip-flop, you are welcome to do it, but in my case I want to use branch always. Okay, so let's do that. So let's compound save. So after this, we need to change this vision. So the easiest way is create with the post process. So in here, so we added the set post process. Okay, so post process, there you go. So if you see the viewport, you don't see nothing, because the post process, they're gonna take all the space from this blueprint. So always they're gonna have this post process. So that's perfect. So let's compile and save. Let's go to event graph. So and now let's put it like this. So let's put the post process here, and here we want to set the settings, because we want to modify a few things. So let's put it in here, and also we can copy and paste right here. Okay, so let's connect the target with post process, and also if we are not in night vision, we want to set it be back to normal. So in here, let's promote this to variable. I want to call this normal vision. So we always have the settings right here. Save it for whatever. If we change for the night vision or another vision, so you always have the normal vision. So in here we want to do the same. So let's promote this to variable, and let's call now night vision. So night, okay. So I have the same name, so for change this I'm gonna say post, so we know this is post process. So let's do that, and let's put this in here. Also we compile and save. So right now in the normal vision, we don't want to change nothing, because right now we go play, this is our normal vision. So let's close. So in the night vision, we want to change a few stuff. So you can do all the you want to in here, but for me I want to be like more like green stuff. So in here we need to go to global, remember, no, you need to go to mist. Yeah, mist, it go to a scene color tint, and let's change this to a green stuff, because it's kind of green, that one. So let's put this out several, so we have this green color. So let's okay. So if you will compile and save, we can see the right now. If I press the top button, then like this have this green stuff. So that's working fine, but maybe I want to a little more dark. So to do that, let's go to lens, go to exposure, and here exposure compose, and here you click this, you can change this value. So if I put, for example, more, like for example 2, they're gonna have more brightness. So they're gonna be here, they're gonna be more bright if you want, or you can be more dark. In my case, they're gonna be more dark. So let's go 0. So let's go play. So now we have this dark color. If you want more dark, you only need to minus something, so -1 probably. So let's go play. So now we have this more darker, and also like the other one, if you want to more, you can put whatever number you want. So let's put like sample 3. So now we have these bright colors. You can use whatever you like. I'm gonna have this in 0. So let's stop here. So let's compile and save. So right now we can play with this. We can change this, so we have this color green stuff, but you can see the player, they don't really change, because when you are night vision they're gonna be more glowiness character. And also if we duplicate the floor, so let's go to a map here. You remember I using Lumin, so that's why I don't need to build this stuff. I recommend that you do too because Lumin is the best you can for Unreal Engine, so that's awesome. So let's put it like that. So if I go play, we have fallen. Oh my god, I forgot to duplicate it. So let's go back to here. So in here, let's press Alt. Now I think we doing right. I think yes. So if I press the button, you can see the change the color, because you can see the change a little bit, but we don't see nothing at all. So we need to change this to we can see, and also the character change the color too. So to be able to see in the dark, we need some light, because right now if you go play, you have all pitch black, so we need to change that. So we need to go to add in here a new light. So if you go light, we have a lot the lights in here. So if you go to the viewport, you need to check what you are using your night vision. In my case, we're using the night vision only when we have the character in the map, and also the camera that's focusing in us, and also the focusing in everything else in here. So with the point light, they're gonna be perfectly fine, because we can see around. And here, if you can check this, so you can add, go to point light. So if you click in here, you have this radio, so they're gonna be really great. You can put more or less, depending on you like you like it. But if you're using this to aiming from the scope or something like that, for example, if you're using a sniper rifle or maybe a assault rifle, if you're aiming, so you have that view from there. So it's better to use the spotlight, because if you put the spotlight, you have that light only focus where you are aiming. So they're gonna be better if you're doing that. But in my case, they don't wanna work, so we need to use a point light. So we have this point light, so I don't want to be the light from the character, so we need to put this a little up, so maybe like this is gonna be okay, so we can see. So let's compound and save, and let's go play. So now we can see in the dark, but we have a few things we need to fix. First, we don't want to have these shadows, because right now they don't look great. Also, the night is not activated. We have this light activated at all. So if we press, we can see it's working in both. So we don't want to do that. It's only working when it's in the night vision. And like I said, the shadows is still in the other way. And also, if we go far enough, we can see there are enemy, they have that point light. So that's why it's better don't copy from their person character. So let's close this, and let's fix the first one. So let's go to the characters, the enemy, sorry. So let's go here and delete these guys. So it's better to use your own enemy. So let's go lit, go to on lit. Let's do this really easy. So right click, go to blueprint class, go to character, let's call the enemy blueprint. Let's open it, let's put this in here, and let's go to the mesh. So go to animate grass. From first we need the mesh, so let's put the mesh here. So they're gonna be queen, and also let's put animation, they're gonna be ABP queen, so let's gonna be that, and also let's put -90, and the rotation -90. They're gonna be okay for now. So let's compile and save. So let's put this guy here. So let's rotate this like that. Also one in here. I want to hide some guy in here to look cool. So let's put this guy in here. In the back, it's okay. So it's gonna be a little different. So let's put this to lit again. So let's go play. So now you can see that light only coming from as, so that's gonna be better. So now we don't want to be activate all the time because they look weird. So let's close this, go to the third person character here, let's go to point light and go to visible and let's do false. So go to the event graph and here let's drag the point light, and if we are not in night vision, so let's set visibility to false, and let's copy and paste to have the same because it's almost the same. So copy this on this and target this from here to here, and we need to be true if we are in night vision. So let's compile and save. Let's go play. So now we don't see nothing. When I play the button, we can see now we're looking, so we can find these guys from here in the back, so they look over there. But we don't want to these shadows because the night vision don't work very good with shadows. So let's close this. So that's really easy. Go to point light. I'm looking for here cache shadows. You say false. Let's close everything, compile and save. Let's go play. So now if we press the button, now we have this cool effect. So they don't have that shadow, so they look better. But still we need one more thing so they look better. So right now you can see in the night vision to the another games, they have that from the character and also the enemies, they have that green bright color from the enemies when they have in the night vision. Right now we don't have that, so let's do that. So let's close this, and we need to create a material. So let's go to third person map, and here it's okay. So right click, go to material, and let's create the night vision material. So let's open it. They're gonna be really easy. So let's go to palette and let's go to contrast vector. Let's drag this to the base color, and we want to change the color in the green all the way up to 1. So let's go okay, and also we want to brighten a little bit, so let's connect this to MSC color. So let's compile and save. They automatically apply, so they're gonna be fine. So let's go third person character. So now we need to drag the mesh in here, and from here we want to set material. So let's put it in here, and also we need another one when they don't are in the night vision. So if you check the mesh, in this case this mesh have two material. Sometimes they only have one, and sometimes they have maybe multiple, like I don't know, 10, 11, whatever. So in my case we have two. So if you have two, you need to put here more stuff. So got another one, so copy and paste. But this time they're gonna say element index 1. If you notice, they're gonna be element 0, element 1. So we need another one, so copy and paste. We are already in the 1, so that's cool. And to here, and the target, they're gonna be the mesh, so connect to here. Also reroute this like that, and connect this to this. So now let's compile save, and let's put when we are not in night vision, we want to the same mesh. So go to queen 1. Let's find it, so we have it here, and paste it right here, and also we want to do it here, so we want to be queen 2, so let's find this and let's paste it in here. So let's compile save, and when we are in the night vision, we want to change this material to our night vision, and also here night vision. Let's compile and save, and let's go play. So now they don't say nothing. When I press the button, they don't work. Why they don't work? Because Unreal Engine 5 still have a few bugs. So we need to be around to here. So let's go to night vision here. Click in night vision material. In the opaque in here, in blend mode, you need to change this to masked. Let's save it, everything again. So let's test it out again. So let's go play. If we press the button, they still don't work. So let's close. Let's do it again. So let's change, play with this a little bit. Go in here, apply it, sometimes save it. So let's text again. So play. They still don't working. Yeah, they have a little bug here. So let's change the surface, so maybe I don't know, or leave it like that. Save, let's move this guy. Yeah, because that happened to me a lot, so let's go translate, opaque again, save, let's go play. Still not working, so let's go here, let's change this to check to see if it's working. It's not working, so that's great. So okay, so let's go back. What I do? Okay, compile, save. Let's go to here, delete this, play. It's not working. I hate when they happen this stuff. So let's go again. So go to material. So let's change this to again to opaque to mask again. Sometimes working, sometimes don't. So let's play again. It's not. Not here. What are you doing? So let's change this to translucent. Maybe. Yeah, it's not working. Wow, they're supposed to change the material, but they don't. That's really bad with this stuff happening. I don't know why they do that. So let's change this again to mask it first opaque. So there's gonna be that one. So I don't know. No, it's not working. We can see they change the material, but they don't find what it is. So I hate when they do that, but when they're supposed to change the material. So let's close this, and also we need to do the enemy too. So let's gonna be here, go to the event graph, and we need to for testing and event tick. You're going to be get mesh, and you want to copy this stuff because it's exactly the same. So let's go third person, let's copy this and paste it in here. So let's connect this to here, this to here, this to here, and we need to the event tick. So when the begin play, cast to TP character, no, don't PT character, we have the third person character. So here, get player character. So let's promote this to a variable, and let's go that variable here, get, and from here get night vision like this. You're doing a branch, only they're gonna work when it's true. If it's true, you go like this. If it's false, they're gonna be no, the opposite. So if you are true, you want to change this to this and this to this, like that. So let's compound save, let's go play. So now we can play. If they're supposed to change, you can see they change the material, but they don't actualize. I don't know why. So they have a little bug here, but that's the way you have to work. So I don't know if it's for Lumi, probably. There's no working right now, but that is the way they're supposed to work. And also, I don't want to use tick because, like I said a lot of the time, that is not the best way to do it. So let's close this, because if you notice, if you print this, print string, so we can see how fast it is. So let's go delta second to the string. So let's compile and save. If you go play, you can see they're gonna be the fast, like 0.016 something. So that's really fast. So I don't want to be 0.01. So that's really fast. So I don't want that. So that's gonna take a lot of resources. So let's close this and let's do it here a custom event. So custom event, we can call this activate night vision, for example. can connect this to here, compile and save. You can go to the begin play, and you can call this activate night vision. So let's go here, here, activate night vision, and you can do a retakeable here, retakeable delay, and you remember the tick node is 0.01, so I don't want to be that fast, so let's put like 0.1. It's still really fast, so we need to do that. So let's complete. Let's go to here again. So if you want to reroute this, just move a little bit and you have this line here, so you can put it out like that. So let's do in here another reroute, so you know they have this tick node, so that's really better because it's 0.1. So let's compound save, let's play. So now if we press it, they change the material fast enough, so that's gonna be cool to have the effect. So I'm sorry they don't work in the material, I don't know why, but that's the way they're supposed to. Maybe I forgot something, but I don't believe so. Maybe because I'm recording, I don't know, because when I don't recording, they're working, so that's weird. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, and also if you want to support us, the best way to do is go to my Ko-fi page, because like I said before, I want to create that small studio so we can help you to create video games and also provide you with asset, animation, blueprint, also personal help absolutely for free. So like I said before, thank you for watching. I see you in the next tutorial, so bye bye. So I want to add a little update. For whatever reason, when I do exactly the same in the tutorial. The only way the night vision, I move this stuff from here to here. The only I do, I apply and save. So now if we go play and press the button, now it's working what they're supposed to do. So that's really weird bug, but now it's fixed. Only moving that stuff in the material. That's really crazy. But you can see this working like it's supposed to. That is the cool effect I want to add. And tutorials that I feel really bad they don't do it in the beginning. So that is the fix. So I hope if you have that bug like me, you only need to play around with the material. The only thing, like you said, is just go to the material, it move from here, move it to here, it just apply it, and here apply and save, and that's it. That's working again. So that's really crazy. So that's it. So thank you for watching, and sorry for before, and I hope the Unreal Engine 5 they have update they needed. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. So bye bye.